Welcome to another unboxing video here at ThePedalGuy.com, and what I'm going to show you today is the Nano Legacy Mojo Diamond amplifier head from Hotone. These are mini heads. This is part of the series of the Nano Legacy, and what this one does is it models the sound and characters of the Fender Tweed amps, which of course are legacy amps unto themselves. And this is a 5-watt head, but you can plug it into different cabinets of different impedances, anywhere between 4 to 16 ohms. So it's not uncommon to see something this small actually plugged into a rather large cabinet, because you can power it mightily. But it's got an amazing sound to it, very powerful, and you have a very hard time believing that that kind of sound can come out of something so small. This weighs less than a pound, so it's very easy to transport. And when we open it up, pretty straightforward stuff. Here's the head. Again, as you can see, my hand is bigger than this little product here, but you get this amazingly large sound out of it. And for anybody who's familiar with the heads that they use, all the same trimmings are here: your gain, your bass, your middle, treble, volume, and of course the on and off and your input. And on the back, you've got your line output, so you can use a headphone if you want to. You've got an auxiliary input, so you can plug in your MP3 player to it. You've got an effects send and return, so if you want to go off to a reverb or a delay cleanly, you can do that. And of course, you've got your speaker output, and as I mentioned before, anywhere between 4 to 16 ohms in whatever cabinet you're using. One of the other little things that I find very handy with the Hotone products in the Nano Legacy series here is that they've supplied a sheet of stickers here for the front of the different knobs. Because let's face it, when you're looking at something this small, it's kind of hard to see the names here at the bottom of each one of the parameters. And so what they've done is they've supplied a sheet of stickers so that you can put them on the front of the knobs here for easy viewing. And I think that's kind of neat, especially when we start looking at how complicated our rigs can get, and we're trying to find the bass knob or the gain knob really quickly. To have a sticker that really points to it cleanly is a very handy feature. And this is all available for a mere $99. So an amazingly large sound for such a small price. And Hotone does make a little cabinet as well, if that's something that you wanted to use, or if you have a cabinet that you like to use. This should power it sufficiently as long as it falls within the 4 to 16 ohm range. So anyway, we're going to do a demo video on this so you can get a really great listen to how it sounds. And come on by thepedalguy.com and check it out.